Okay, now I can just replace it with this. I'm just putting the information over here, nothing else. Okay, so let me put the webhook. Yep, and now what do we do? Okay, we need to compile it again. Compile. No, bro, I need to open the VSL again. Bro. Yep. What is going on again? Okay, we need to rename it to this. Yep, this. Now we are good. Give us the DLL, bro. Give us the DLL. Let me delete it again and create another new one. So this is the new one. Get it, copy and remove this one. Bro, we need to stop the service again. So stop this or just replace it. Yeah, it just replaced. Now we need to just start the service again. Okay, let me open this directory and run the service. Oh, okay, we can see. Let me open Discord. I did not get anything on the Discord. Why, bro? Why? So I need to copy these file and go to cloud and say this guy. I use the correct. Wait, let me just actually check the webhook. I don't know if there is anything wrong with it. So copy webhook, close this. No, the webhook is fine, but I did not get anything on this. Let's see if it created a user. So net user. No, we need to use this one. So net user. Yeah, it did create the user, but for some reason it did not communicate with the Discord. So we have to edit this again. Let's see the Discord stuff. It like the post request and HTTP error. Okay, now we are good again. Let's go here and replace it. Okay, we are good. Now let me open this directory, this one. Yeah, and recompile it, bro. Oh, okay, we need to use this name and then stop the service again. Wait, actually let me remove the net user. Net okay, net user delete sysadmin. Perfect, we deleted that user. How, let me just delete this one as well, we don't need it actually. So hacked, yeah, we are good. Did we stop the service actually? Oh yeah, we did close it now. Okay, let's go here and delete the mess. Yep, bro, come on, delete all of these. And also let me just replace it with this one, and we can now restart the service. Okay, let's see on the Discord. Oh yeah, I got the stuff on Discord. I'm gonna show you what is happening on Discord, but let me see if it leaks any information. Okay, I think we are good. So this is what it show on the Discord. It did created this and this, and let me just see what else we can do. Yep, this one. Can we create files from here? I don't know. Let's see. Yep. Let me open this Discord CMD. Discord underscore CMD. I don't see any file. Okay, I think this feature is not added, it's just adding it right now, I think. Yeah. Also from any other PC we can also connect to this user actually. How about we try that? This, so what is this? We will see this. So the right now one, oh yeah, this one is like basic one. So okay, what it did in this one, it has like more features. I mean, you just saw how we created the persistence and also connection to the C2 with the admin, right? So I'm just either gonna close this right now or just keep this while not talking, or maybe talk at some certain point and do this is like some fun stuff for me. So yeah, let me copy this one, go here. I need to copy my webhook again, come here, paste it here and put the webhook again. So I think I can now send commands as well. Now let me just go to the compiler. Yep, I need to also stop the service, and okay, I need to also remove this mess. Go here, get the DLL, paste it here, start the service. Let me move it here. Okay, let's see. I mean, I did not get any stuff right now, so maybe there is some error. So my webhook is correct. I just want to test the commands from C2 to here, especially from Discord. Like I have did this before, but actually I was not like, I did not knew a lot about this, so I am just doing this like for fun. So let me open again the file. Paste. And then compile it. We also need to stop the service. Remove the mess. Let's remove this as well. Get the DLL, paste it here and then run the service. Let's see again this one. Oh, the webhook is correct. What is wrong with you? Let me just make another webhook so we can confirm that webhook. Yeah. Let's stop this, compile this, get the DLL, replace it with this, delete the stuff. Let's start again. Alright, I think I'm gonna just stop this video. It was just for fun, and I already show how you can just hijack the service, DLL actually. So I was just making the connection and stuff. I mean, it worked a little bit, but it just need a little more time to make a more better one. So I just show you how you can make it. If you want, you can just continue doing it. So hopefully this makes sense and you like this video. I will see you actually in another video. See you soon.